Hello everyone, welcome back to SkillWeb. In this video, I will show you how to fix row and column size in Excel. So let's get started. Begin by opening your Excel workbook with the data that you want to work on. To change the height of a row, move your cursor to the boundary line. When your cursor becomes a double-headed arrow, click and drag to adjust the row's height. For column width, navigate to the boundary line between the column letters. Once your cursor turns into a double-headed arrow, click and drag to adjust the column's width. So that's how you can fix row and column size in Excel. Hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at SkillWeb. This video is sponsored by Xirosoft. Xirosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Xirosoft today. For more details, check the description box.